Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Q. I'm Q and today I'm going to answer some big questions about what is coding, why you should learn it, and how do you even start. So starting with the fact what is coding. Coding is just like giving instruction to a computer. So computers understand some kind of a programming language. So what we do during the coding is that we learn how to make the computer understand the logic that you're trying to develop. When you browse different kind of apps, or you play a game, or you use any kind of a software, behind the scenes it is all powered by code. So in other words, coding is just like talking to computers, but instead of English or Urdu, we use programming languages like C++, Python, or JavaScript. Now the big question is why you should learn coding. Coding is basically all about problem solving, and if you have problem solving skills and you learn how to develop different kind of programs, you stop just using the apps and start understanding how they're built. And it opens the career opportunities from software engineers to data science to AI. And it also gives you the power to create what? Create websites, apps, games, even your own startup. Another question that comes to the mind is how to start coding. So whenever you are going to start coding, you are first of all going to pick a beginner friendly language. So I'm going to start with C++ because it teaches solid fundamentals. The second step is installing some kind of an IDE or an editor. IDE stands for Integrated Development Tools, and these tools allow you to actually write and run the programs. And the third step is that you have to start small. You have to start by writing simple programs. The next thing that you have to consider is which code editors to use. So every coder needs a different kind of a code editor. Think of it as a notebook but for programming. So for beginners, I'm going to recommend VS Code, Dev C++. They are free, easy to set up, and widely used. So as we move through tutorials, I'm going to show you how to set them up and write your first program. So now let's talk about the impact of AI, which is a hot topic, artificial intelligence. So AI is changing the way that we code, and tools like GitHub, Copilot, and ChatGPT can help you write codes, debug errors, or even suggest optimizations. But remember that AI is just an assistant, it is not a replacement. So if you don't understand coding fundamentals, AI can't help you build real solutions. But the exciting part, once you learn coding, you can build AI powered apps yourself. So think of chatbots, face recognition apps, or smart assistants. These start with simple coding principles and then combine them with the AI tools. And yes, in the future videos, we are going to explore how to bring AI into your projects. At the end of the day, coding is all about solving problems. It is not just about typing symbols on the screen. So we are going to break big challenges into smaller steps and create logical solutions. That is the mindset what makes a great programmer. So today we covered the basics about what is coding, why it matters, and how to start. In the upcoming videos, we are going to dive deeper into C++ and real coding exercises, and definitely we are going to do that step by step. So if this video gave you a clear picture, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, keep solving with Q. Thank you so much.